Okay guys, kakauwi lang. So this is the second week of our clinicals. So yun na nga, medyo busy kanina dahil meron tayong fall resident. Actually yung residente, confused na talaga siya. So actually kahapon meron na siyang miss fall. Like naglalakad lang siya, may walker. Then bigla sabi niya, hindi ako makalakad. Then may baba. So nandun ako and yung instructor ko, then we called the nurse to assess it. Pero ngayon, literally na-fall na talaga siya, then dinala sa hospital kasi nauna sa ulo. Ay, yun lang. Busy today kasi nakatatlong residente na tayo. Target next week is at least 4 to 5 maximum. Then we're going to Manor for another 3 weeks. So yun lang, palapit na tayo ng palapit sa patapos na yung program. So hopefully maging smooth lahat. After nitong clinical na to, preceptorship na. Then we're done to the program by November. See you!